Alright, what is going on? It is your boy Party Boy, and y'all know what we here for today. Today is big for me. But before we get into anything else, if you can, like this video and subscribe to the channel if you're not a subscriber already. Alright? So let's get into today's video. Y'all want to know why I picked the Sony ZV-E10 over the Sony ZV-1. Why would I do something like that? Finna get straight into it. Alright, so I'm gonna get straight into it, man. The real reason why I got the Sony ZV-E10 over the Zv-E1 is because it costs too much. That's why I got it. Now, I do know the Sony ZV-E1 is a full frame sensor camera, and it got a bunch of cool things you can do with it, like the little follow zoom thing and all that good stuff. But as of right now, it just wasn't in my budget. This one was in my budget, the Zv-E10, and it also just it was able to take care of a lot of things. As a content creator, as a new content creator, I just felt like I didn't want to break the bank and go head over heels. Like I said before, today is a big day because I'm going to retire the iPhone what I've been using for these videos. My first like 4 or 5 videos that has been shot it was shot by the iPhone. So with that being said, Zv-E10 is hopefully going to be able to help me upgrade my skills and get to the next level. So I just was thinking to myself, like, don't go all the way out because this content stuff might not be for me. You know what I mean? So like I said before, the reason why I picked the Zv-E10 over the Zv-E1 is because of the money, man. So Sony, if you're watching this, if you're feeling a little nice, you can see your boy the Zv-E1. I could do a review on it. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? But alright, now we're gonna get straight into the unboxing video for this, because I'm thirsty. I've been waiting to open this up and get this on video, but I just been busy, real busy. And also I got this Sigma lens, the Sigma 16mm 1.4 aperture. Oh man, from my reviews of all the videos I watch, this right here, the Sony ZV-E10 paired up with the Sigma, is the best thing you can do for some content creating, or just to level up your skills. I'm gonna do an unboxing video for you guys so you guys can be able to see everything that's in this box and in this box. Alright, so let's jump right into it and unbox this Sony ZV-E10. Alright, so you know, everybody knows all these devices come with paperwork and stuff. Nobody reads this stuff. Get rid of that stuff. Alright, so flip it out. Alright, so what comes in the box? I don't know what this is. Alright, so we got a strap. You can see here. Sony strap. I don't know if I'm gonna use this or not. Cause my Zv-E10 is probably gonna sit on the tripod most of the time. But I don't know. We'll see. So we got the Sony strap here. Got some kind of little thing. I don't know what this is. It's a little thing wrapped up in paper. Oh, okay. Alright, so we got the dead cat here. You guys can see that. Don't know how to use this. Never had one of these before, so I don't know. We'll figure it out though. The dead cat. We got our Type-C cable. I'm guessing this is just to transfer data, maybe, or not transfer data, but I'm guessing just to be an because you could do live video on your PC. So this is gonna be able to help you get that done. All right. Now we got this little charging block. All right, so I guess that's cool. Little Sony charging block. So we official. You know what I mean? We official. You know what I mean? We got something that's supposed to. Oh, okay. So we do have the little battery. What is this? Okay, so this is the MPFW50, the W50 battery. I'm guessing it's real small. It's cool because I bought more, and I bought the little charger, little Sony charger or whatnot. I am gonna do another unboxing video. Well, I'm not gonna do another unboxing video. I'm going to do a accessories video for all the accessories that I bought specifically for the Sony ZV-E10 to make sure that I have a hell of a good video. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know, like just good video. So again, like I said, this is the FW50 battery. It's real small, so hopefully I can get some good battery out of this. We'll see. And then voila, the magic, man. All right, so this is the thing that I've been waiting for. Also, by the way, I did buy the one that came with the kit lens. I do plan on getting another little camera and using that one like to do dual video or whatnot, but I'm not gonna use that. I'm gonna use the Sigma for the most part. So let's get it out. Let's get this out, man. Oh, okay. So it's nice, man. It's nice right here, if you can see. All right. So I will say this is a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be. They already said it was small, but this is small, like real small, and it's really lightweight too as well. So do got to flip out the LED screen. Right. I mean, everything looks good, man. It looks clean, man. This, you know what? I think it's because I haven't bought a camera in years, so it's just, this is perfect. You know what I mean? Like, it's nice, all clean, shaped up. Hopefully, I can keep it all clean and shaped up. But this is nice right here. All right. As you can see, coming from my old camera, the 5D Mark II. Can't shoot no video with this. I'm more of a photographer, but I'm trying to get more into this video stuff. So this is what I used to use. Coming from this to this is going to be game changer and interesting, and a learning process, learning curve, because I don't know nothing about Sony. I'm Canon all the way. The reason why I didn't opt in with Canon for their smaller content creating camera is because everybody's saying Sony, man. Sony got Nikon and Canon beat out right now, man. So just wanted to see what the hype was about the Sony ZV-E10. All right. So got the Sony ZV-E10 here in the flesh, finally. All right. So let's get on to the lens. Pop the lens on out, man. Alright, so you already know it's gonna be more paperwork. We don't need that. Hang on, about the paperwork. More paperwork. We don't need that. Alright. Alright, some big boy, man. The big boy. Alright, so we do got the Sigma 16mm 1.4, and this is the beauty, man. All right, so this is what we got here. You guys can see that. And that's what we got. So that's it for the unboxing of the Sony ZV-E10 and the Sigma 16mm. So I'm gonna put it all to use and get some video footage for you guys, so that way you guys can see what it looks like. All right. Alright, thank you guys for watching my video. And if you can, go ahead and subscribe to my page. With that being said, since you guys made it this far, you might as well go ahead and watch one of these other two videos. And again, it's your boy Party Boy, and I'm out.